A client went to a psychiatrist and talked about his problems. "Sir, I'm very distressed with hurt memories and bad thoughts. No matter how hard I try not to think, it doesn't work." The doctor brought a cup and said, "There's clear water in the cup here. I'll put a drop of ink in here. How did the water change?" The client replied, "It turned dark." The doctor handed over a spoon and told the client, "Take out the ink with this to make the water clear." The client replied, "How am I supposed to get the ink out of the water that's already been mixed?" The doctor asked the client again, "What should you do then?" The client replied, "I'll have to keep putting fresh water in the cup." Just as a drop of ink darkens the whole clear water in a cup, negative thoughts can darken our daily lives. The most effective way to get rid of such negative thoughts is to replace them with positive ones. This is called the principle of replacement.